This is a great exercise to start using your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes. Also brings in a little bit of sort of core control, some hip stability. Very gentle exercise to be done if you're experiencing a little bit of knee pain, if you sort of maybe have some issues with your glutes being a little weak, or maybe the lower back, you're trying to start this sort of strengthening process. So you can wear shoes for this. I just tend to prefer to do most of my exercises barefoot. You just need a good sturdy wall and safe environment as usual. So what you want to do is bring yourself down against the wall. You want to adjust so that your feet are pointing in a straight line. Your feet are also in line with your knees, and you're trying to aim to get a 90-degree angle here so that your knees are hip height. Now, if that feels too much, maybe you've only just started to try this exercise, you can bring yourself up a few inches, providing that you still feel that load going through the legs here. So come down to this 90-degree. Once you feel that you've got the feet, the knees and the hips sorted, you then move on to the lower back. So you want to make sure that you can't pass your hands behind your back. So don't have an arch where you can. You want to tilt the pelvis backwards to brace yourself against this wall. Now, from this position, I've got good contact with my feet. I can really feel my glutes working, but I'm also pushing back into the wall. So my shoulders are in contact with the wall. My head is in contact. I only have a gap where my neck is. Now, if I did want to add in maybe a bit more of mobility for the back, I'd bring the arms up and push the palms into. You can just relax your hands here or just down by your sides. And you should really feel that pressure start to build in through the toes, the heels, the knees. It should start to feel quite intense. And I always start people on about 30 seconds here. Can build up